In today's video, I'm going to teach you Add Subdivision Surface from the Modifier panel, most common. This is one of the quickest ways to smooth out a 3D model while keeping your workflow non-destructive and flexible. If you're new to modifiers, think of them as live effects you can apply to an object without permanently changing its base geometry. Subdivision Surface is especially popular because it uses a smoothing algorithm to add more geometry behind the scenes, giving you clean, curved forms from simple shapes. Start by selecting the object you want to smooth. You can click it directly in the viewport or choose it from your outliner. With the object active, head over to the Properties area and open the Modifiers tab, the one marked with a blue wrench icon. This is your control center for adding and managing all kinds of modifiers. Next, click the Add Modifier button. You'll see a list of categories. Look for the Generate category, which includes modifiers that create or alter geometry. From there, choose Subdivision Surface. The moment you add it, your object will instantly appear smoother in the viewport. That's the modifier subdividing your mesh and averaging the surfaces to create that polished look. You'll notice controls inside the modifier that affect how smooth the object appears. These typically include separate levels for the viewport and for final rendering. Higher values mean more subdivisions, which produce a smoother result but can add a lot of geometry and slow things down. It's a good idea to use balanced values that keep your scene responsive while you work, and then reserve higher settings for your final render if needed. Because this is non-destructive, you can revisit the modifier at any time, reorder it in the stack, or disable it temporarily without losing your original model. It also plays well with other common tools, allowing you to refine the overall look as your project evolves. If you're aiming to keep certain edges crisp, remember that the underlying topology matters. Support loops, edge flow, or crease settings can help preserve sharp features even when the surface is being smoothed. That's all there is to it. By selecting your object, opening the Modifiers tab, adding a modifier, and choosing Subdivision Surface under Generate, you've applied the most common method for smoothing geometry quickly and cleanly. It's simple, fast, and totally reversible, making it perfect for both quick concepting and production-ready models.